Hello, my name is Dr. Jayson Boubin. I'm an assistant professor here in the School of Computing at Binghamton University. And I work on mostly on UAVs. So most of my work is on, it's sort of a split between robotics, edge computing, and machine learning. So obviously the robotics element is somewhat obvious, right? We have, our world is now filled with these small drones with potentially self-driving cars, and some of us even have robots like a Roomba in our house. And what I work on is making these platforms, particularly UAVs, more intelligent. So what that means is taking a drone like this size or a drone like this size and using the sensors on board those drones, so cameras and LiDAR sensors and hyperspectral sensors, and ingesting that data in real time to make meaningful decisions for robotic path planning, for communication between multiple UAVs, and usually to solve some interesting applications. So I like to take my work out into the field. I work in agriculture, I work in ecology, I work on, for instance, we're starting a project on landmine detection. And so what we like to do is make sure that our fundamental research in swarm coordination and machine learning is applied to something that's interesting and important, like finding landmines or assessing crop yield. Now, I am usually accepting students. If you're a PhD student in particular that's out there looking to work in robotics, edge computing, or machine learning, I'm always taking applications. So please send me an email at jboubin@binghamton.edu, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.